The 2025 Jeep lineup has officially landed, and whether you're a hardcore off-roader or just someone who appreciates rugged capability with everyday comfort, there's something in it for everyone. Jeep continues to blend tradition with innovation, and this year's models are a clear reflection of that philosophy. Let's take a closer look at what's new, what's improved, and what makes the 2025 Jeep vehicles worth your attention. Starting off with the Wrangler, the 2025 model continues to be the brand's flagship off-road beast. It keeps its iconic boxy design but gets a few subtle updates, like sleeker LED lighting, a more aerodynamic front grille, and an upgraded interior with even better materials and a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen running the latest Uconnect 5 system. Jeep is also expanding its plug-in hybrid 4Z lineup. The Wrangler 4Z now comes with improved battery range, better torque delivery, and more regenerative braking options, making it an even more attractive option for eco-conscious adventurers. Moving over to the Grand Cherokee, it remains a fan favorite for those wanting a balance between luxury and performance. The 2025 version builds on last year's redesign but now includes more standard tech features and improved safety systems. You'll get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and night vision on more trims than ever before. Plus, the Grand Cherokee 4Z continues to shine as a plug-in hybrid SUV with legit off-road chops. Now, one of the most exciting updates comes with the Jeep Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer. These full-size SUVs were reintroduced recently and are quickly carving out a space in the premium segment. For 2025, Jeep has given them more powertrain options, including a high-output twin-turbo inline-six that delivers both performance and efficiency. Inside, you'll find a tech-rich cabin with up to 3 digital screens, premium leather, and available rear-seat entertainment, making long road trips a breeze. Jeep hasn't forgotten about its compact segment either. The 2025 Compass and Renegade receive mild design refreshes and improved infotainment systems. The Compass now includes a more refined ride and better sound insulation, making it more competitive in the crossover segment. The Renegade sticks to its quirky, youthful vibe but gets more driver assistance features as standard. One of the biggest themes for 2025 is electrification. Jeep is committed to becoming a global leader in 4x4 electrified vehicles, and you can clearly see that with the growing 4Z lineup. Expect more hybrid and eventually fully electric models, like the upcoming Jeep Recon, which is expected to make its debut later this year as an all-electric off-road SUV with real Jeep DNA. All in all, the 2025 Jeep lineup is a strong mix of tradition, innovation, and forward-thinking design. Whether you want raw off-road power, luxury road trip comfort, or a more sustainable way to explore the outdoors, Jeep's got you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more auto content, and drop a comment letting us know which 2025 Jeep model you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.